Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Last time we finished our app with our Swift UI, and I wanted to show you that we can do a different view with a different framework and see that everything will work the same. So I'll make another view with UIKit. So I'm going to create a new Xcode project, and I'm going to do a iOS app. Now it's an iOS app. And I'm going to say this is a emblem app, and this interface, instead of Swift UI, before it was Swift UI, I'll put it in Storyboard UIKit app delegate. I'm using Swift. I won't include tests just yet because I don't want to include the UI tests here. I want to make sure I control the tests, so I'm going to click next, and yes, I'm going to select this create Git repository on my Mac, and I'm going to create it. Okay, as you know, all the apps needs to be on source control, so I'm going to enter my GitHub account. We have done this before, so I'm going to do it very quick. I'm going just to create a new repository, and this repository name will be emblem data app UIKit. Just like this. I'll make this private, and I'm going to create the repository. And you can see now we have this remote. We can add the remote now. So we go back to Xcode, to this second icon here, and add existing remote location. I'm adding it, and that's it. Source control, push, and I'm going to push everything here. And now let's see my remote repository. I'm going to refresh it, and I have initial commit. That's the commit that's putting on, and it's putting all the things here. So now it's source controlled, and we can not worry about versioning. So it's now source controlled. This is every project you have to do. You have to source control it. So every time I start a new project or something like that, I will always do this. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is going to file, new target, and on the target on iOS, I want a unit testing bundle. Yeah, I can say emblem app tests. That's fine. Finish. And I have this test here now. Emblem app tests. I can rename this refactor. I'm going to rename to view controller tests. View controller tests. Yep, and I just want to do a test nothing. So it works with the test here. I just press Command U. I don't want to test it on my iPhone. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it. I'm going to install it on an iPhone 11 here. Command U. And the tester passing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new target here, and my new target is going to be an iOS unit test bundle, emblem app tests. I'll say this is view controller tests. Actually, I'm going to finish this. I have the view controller tests, and I'm going to test nothing first and see how it's working. Command U. So it's working. I'm testing nothing. And now what I want to do is test that controller has UI image view. And what we need to do when we're testing view controllers is we have to instantiate. So I'm going to say we have to instantiate from the storyboard. So I'm going to say UI storyboard, right, with name. The name is main. That's my main storyboard. And the bundle, I'm going to create a bundle for view controller dot self This view control is not here because I need to add this, add testable import, a testable import emblem map. Now I have it there, and I have to do instantiate initial view controller, and I have to do it as a view controller, right? And I need to this doing a guard statement, guard let SUT, else return XCT fail, could not instantiate view controller from main, command U, the tests are passing. Okay, now what I want to do is XCT assert nil .sut emblem image view. Okay, as you can see right now there's no type here, so what I need to do is go to the view controller, I'm gonna type an IB outlet weak var emblem image view as an UI image view like this, command U, it's still failing, but now it's failing, and I had to put a reason, image emblem controller has no emblem image view, command U, so now it's saying controller has no emblem image view. How do we fix this? We do it by going to the storyboard. Okay, and I'm going to add an image view here. Image view. I'm going to add here an image view, and I'll wait. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is going to click on this sidebar over here, and I'm going to go to the view controller. I'm going to control drag this. You see, I'm control dragging this, and now if I do command U, my test should be passing. So build succeeded, and the test is still failing. So the reason why the tests are still failing is that we need to do load views if needed here. We need to call this command for every controller since it's only instantiated but the views are not being loaded, so there's nothing there yet to be tested, and this will be nil every time. If I do command U again with this here, it's passing since the emblem image view is now passing. Okay, so let me just commit and push. So I'm going to say added an image view to the storyboard and tested it out on the view controller. Commit 6 files and push. And I think we're going to leave this video there just for now, and we'll continue on with this on the next videos. Okay? So that's it, what we did for the videos now. We created a new project with the storyboard, and we're using UIKit instead of SwiftUI, and we'll see how we can implement the new design and everything with doing the by using the same framework. But I mean by using our same framework and different frameworks from the views and everything, so you can see the power of TDD and the modularity of this stuff. Next time we'll continue with this. We'll continue with the design and everything. So keep posted. Subscribe to the channel if you if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, Click that notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.